Hey guys, welcome to my channel, PokeTubers. Today we're opening 2 Stellar Crown booster pack. Let me open one. Alright, basic energy, independent, Bonita, Cubone, Milcery, Talonflame, Area 0 Under Death, Crabominable, Riolu, Vikavolt, and a Zera Aura regular rare. Alright, next pack. Alright, basic energy, Meltan, Fletchinder, Finneon, Tauros, Frogadier, Coraidon, Toadscruel, Nimble, Clang, and a Rhyperior for regular rare. Alright guys, please share, like, and subscribe. I open booster packs almost every day, so it's worth it. Thank you very much, guys.